Hello guys, it's me Puma. I shared the unedited video in my videos. Now I'm gonna do the speed build one. I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoy the background music. It's made with my audience as a rate. A friend of mine? Not exactly, I just use his YouTube videos. But I hope you enjoy. And I also make this dinosaur without a tutorial. See ya! I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh yeah, one more thing. I also sculpt a bit, but I don't think it counts as sculpting because when I'm editing it, I realize I can just use the Anyway, see ya. Okay, second try. Let's do it right now. So I tried sculpting a bit in this dinosaur, but I don't think it turns out well because it just looks ugly, and I think I can just use the grab with the universal stuff. With the toggle button on top. Okay, whatever. See ya, guys.